sabi ni ano kanina sa akin, Kuya, nakita kasi namin sila, kuya namin, kumaka namin, basta mga kuya namin SB19, Kuya Josh, Kuya Pablo, Kuya Ken, Kuya Esther, Kuya Justin, yun, kita-kita kami. Kanina kasi andun din sila eh. Tapos, nag-TikTok kami, abangan niyo yan, may abangan kayo, mga TikTok. Tapos na kami mag-TikTok, sinabi ni Kuya Pablo sa akin, may nagpabangs na pala, sobrang bagay sa'yo ng bangs mo. Sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, ay, Kuya Pablo, forever na ako magpapabangs dahil sinabi mo yan. Bagay daw sa akin. Akala pa ni Kuya Stel, sabi niya, totoo ba yan? Sabi ko, opo, totoo yan. Oh, ganun ko pa. Akala niya, clip-ons lang yung bangs ko. Hindi, super nila. Kung paano namin sila nakilala noon, nung, di ba, nag-collab kami sa Kabataang Pinoy, ganun pa din sila, sobrang warm talaga nila, as in. Tsaka, kuya talaga, as in, kuyang-kuya talaga yung vibes nila, ganun level.
We admire and respect each and every one of you. To our fellow P-pop group SB19, thank you so much for inspiring us.
And of course, we would like also give a shout out to our fellow artists, Filipino artists who has been here right now. Beanie, I love you guys. We are very proud of you. We have been making waves right now.